What's up, guys? Welcome to my first card opening video. So today we're going to be opening up 2 tins of Garbage Pail Kids Go on Vacations. Alright, so we'll start with this tin. And the odds are pretty bad, but I'm hoping to get a sketch card if I can. Hopefully I'll be able to get one. So let's see here. The odds of finding a sketch card are 1 in 158. Base short print cards are 1 in every 3,670, and then artist autograph is 1 in every 292. So that'll be cool too if I get one of those. All right, and then we'll go ahead and open this pack too. All right. Alright, so 20 packs. Hopefully I can get some good cards. Alright, so first, Conch Shelly, and hey, it's got a little code at the bottom. I don't know what those do yet, but I'll have to look those up. Conch Shelly, Angela Roma, Tyler Tannick, Splash Milton, Gusher Gus, and that one's got another code. Oh, Fartin Flora, that one's good, I like that one. Oshana, another code. Having a Bloody Time, the Tower of London. I think I have this one. Yeah, I have the 9th. That's cool. One of the travel cards. Stealing Stella. All right. Half Nelson. Water Ski Bree. Lee Lou. Bobbin Bob. Log Fume Logan. Summer Chillin'. Hands on Hands, which is one of the, don't make me pull this car over ones. I don't know, I think the chances are 1 in 5 packs for those Smokin'. I like that one. And it's the Booker Green border, so that's cool. Goodness. Pulled Paul. Up Chuck. That one's good. Roland. Sand Potty Scotty. Leaky Lindsay. Lindsay. I don't know. Nate Strangulate, Impaled Dale, and Shiat Stew. These packs do not want to open very well. Not sure what's wrong. Alright. Scott Tub. Water Fallen. Zipping Zeke. That one's cool. Gagging Gary. Luggage Wheelie. Jacqui Koozie. Jason Beach Basin. Hollywood. I do not have this one. City full of wooden actors. That is awesome. 4 out of 10. Oh, what's that code? Oh yeah, see, it has another code. That one is awesome. I love that one. And Whitewater. Alright, so we got 2 of those. There's supposed to be 3 guaranteed, and then 1 per every 4, I think. Adam Bomb, that one's cool. I like that parallel. Past Porter. Cascading Casey. Wee Weaver. Murray Mural. There's the other one. Oh, hey. Figum Yellow. I think that's 1 in every 5 right there. Annoyed Andy. That's cool. Is that a code? Yeah, there's another code. Motion Sick Nessie. Oh, there's one of the car ones. And Mount Everett. I'll put this here so we can see how many packs we have left. Move these over. All right. Feather Heather. Sly. Lethal Seathal. I like that one. I was hoping to get a duplicate so I could use this one as a sticker. Denied Denny. Rita Rio. Sockin' Rocky. Hunted Hunter. And Gary Gas Pump. I like this one. Alright. Here's one of the checklists. And it has a code on the bottom. Sure are getting a lot of codes. It's probably for nothing special. Cowabunga Cow. Shit. T-shirt. Rockofella. Taurus Trapper. Gnarly Niles. Slimy Riley. Spring Brock. Alaska, yep. Come for the sight, stay for the frostbite. I have that one. 2 out of 10. Cruise Ship Sherry. Alright, Taurus. Wizarding Wanda. Whirlwindy. Scam Pam. Guide Beck. Universal Ursula. And I've noticed that I get the parallels in the same pack. Don't bug me, that's one of the... Don't make me pull this car over. Skylar Ski Lift. I've noticed I get the same parallels, like I get the B of that one in the same pack as the A of that one. I don't know where it went. But maybe not that one, but multiple ones like that. I get the same one in the same pack. Alright, Bruce and Susan. I'm going to make a new stack here. Put these off to the side. Leaning Lena. Rainforest. I like that one. Canoe Lou. Tina Cup. Winnie Wiener's Sketchin. I don't even know what that says. Posing Posey. And Tanner Lines. Alright, we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. I don't know, like 11 packs, so we're almost halfway. Buried Berry. Brainless. Flighty Faith. Amid Amazon. Vacated. Beachhead Jed. Palm Trina. Here's one of the yellow borders. I don't know where I put those. I'll put these off to the side. Husky Howie. Alright. Bruce and Susan. Leaning Lena. Rainforest. Tina Cup. That name that I don't know what it says. Posing Posey. Man, another Alaska. Sun Ruth. And then Leaky Wednesday. So I got, that's my third Alaska that I have. Man. So I'm missing one. I have all the sites from around the world, but 1 out of 10. Canoe. Buried Berry. Brainless. Amid Amazon. Vacated. Beachhead Jed. I'm pretty sure those were together last time. Deliver Vince. And hashtag Oopsie Daisy. Flighty Faith. Mask Off Maddie. Tiki Bart. Inflated Irina. Face Peel Faye. My Tea. No way. No way. That's a signature. That's a signature. No way. Okay, so I just got done screaming. Here's the card. Smokin' Joe. And I just looked it up. Smokin' Joe signed 75. This is a 1 of 1. but Smoking Joe signed 75 different cards that he has drawn. So this is the 29th out of 75. That is awesome. That is amazing. All right. Well, and then here's the last card. Nate Strangulate, but I don't really care about him much. Man, I'm hyped now. Go for some more good ones. Some more good ones. Hashtag Oopsie Daisy. Absconding Abby. Artie of Massage. Hashtag Missy Steak. Stealing Stella. Shiat Stew. Japan. Visit Japan. You'll have tons of fun. Yep, I got that one. Stinky Stanley. And Absconding Abby. Peaked Pete. Cruisin' Susan. Sun Bernie. Mount Everett. Cruise Ship Sherry. Snots Anya. Suit Cassie. Here's another yellow border. And Impaled Dale. Alright. 5 more. This is 1/4 right here, so there could be another good one. I want a artist drawing, or the sketch card. I want a sketch card. Blow Holly. Sandy. Marty Cycle. Tanner Lines. Bia Beach. Handlebar Howard. Holda Horses. And Artie of Massage. Alright, 4 more. Horseback Holly. Airbnb. Carousel. Bud and Breakfast. I was hoping I got the other one. I love this one. This one's awesome. Claimed Karis. Hygienic Hein. Come for the Rats. Stay for the Pizza. New York. I have that one. Car Sick Nick. And Gagging Gary. Alright. Third one. Last 3. Billy Badette. That one's funny. Will You Shut Up? Esther Island. Annoyed Andy. Stone-Faced Stella. Camper Kara. Hawaii Howie. And Peaked Pete. All right, Floral Laurel, Mobile Homer. I love that one. Mobile Homer. Thelma Theme Park, Metal Ted, Amusement Lark, Heavy Harvey, Theo Thumb, Luggage Wheelie. All right, last one. Let's hope for a good one. Let's see. What was the odds for that card that we got? Let's see. Artist autograph, 1 out of 220, 1 out of 292. And then sketch card is 508. So this could be a sketch card right here. Could be a sketch card in this pack. All right, let's see. So, checklist B. Cruisin' Susan. Don't Make Me Pull This Car Over. Winton My Pants. Will You Shut Up? Here's another yellow border. Evil Eddie. All right, another checklist. Cracked Zach. Nasty Nick. Another checklist. Coco Knot. All right, last one. Hitchhiker. All right, so we got 4 yellow borders. I don't know where I put the other one. Will You Shut Up? Suit Cassie. And Paul Trino, one other one. We got multiple of the travel stickers. New York, Japan, Alaska, Hollywood, and London, which I'm only missing one now. And then we got this card. This card is awesome. Smokin' Joe. So cool. Alright guys, thank you for watching.